Everyone, in today's video we will see how to use the HP printer control panel, button functions and usage guide for all model. First, power button. So turn the printer on or off and press once to start the printer. The power lead indicates whether the printer is active, sleeping or powered off. Now, home button. So return you to the main menu and then provide access to the copy, scan wireless settings and maintenance option and available on touchscreen mode. Now the navigation button. Use the arrow button to move through menus and settings. Adjust copy quantities, paper settings and network option and press OK or select to confirm a choice. Now the cancel button. So stop the current print, copy or scan job. Clear certain warning messages. Also useful if you accidentally send a print job. Now the resume button. Continuous printing after paper is loaded or an issue is fixed. Commonly used after clearing paper jams or replacing paper. The resume light may blink when action is required. Now the information button. So print a printer information page. Display network and printer status detail. Helpful when settings up wireless connection or the troubleshooting guide. Now we see the wireless or the Wi-Fi button. So turn wireless networking on or off. You can use it for connecting to the printer to a Wi-Fi network. A solid light usually means connected, while a blinking light indicates setup mode or connection issue. Now we see Wi-Fi direct button. Allow phone, tablet and computers to connect directly to the printer without a router. So useful for guest printing or temporary connection. First, black copy button. Next one is a black copy button. So starts a black and white copy and press multiple times to increase the number of copies on many HP model. Now color copy button. So start a color copy job, ideal for copying photos, graphics and color documents. Multiple pressures can increase copy quantities on supported model. Now we see settings or menu button. So opens printer settings and preferences used to manage print quality, paper size and type, wireless settings, printer maintenance and device preferences. Now at last we will see display screen indicators. First one, ink level indicator. Show estimated ink level and alert you when ink is low or needs replacement. Wireless status indicator. Display Wi-Fi connections to status and signal strength. Now help confirm that the printer is connected to the network. And last one, error indicator. Display warnings and error code. Common alerts include paper jam, low ink, open cover and print head issues. Goodbye.